But I also wanted to share with you these pillows that I got at Home Goods. Just because I thought that they were a pretty good deal for new velvet down-filled pillows. It was a set of these for 20 bucks. So I keep one in my hallway on my lucite bench, and then the other one is on my couch in my living room. So yeah, I just pulled one just to share it with you guys. So when I say thrifted, that doesn't just mean like specifically a thrift store. It means just secondhand. So some places are vintage shops. Some places are estate sales or yard sales, Facebook Marketplace, just secondhand sourcing in general. So, oh, and the flea market. Okay, so yeah, this item is from the flea market. Look how beautiful this is. Very like Art Deco. I love it. So at the end of the video, after me sharing a lot of this stuff, I'm going to show you where I put a lot of this shit, just like I always do in these videos. And how pretty. I believe she's from the 80s. In this pinky mauve color. I love this tissue holder. It's pink, obviously. And then I got this vintage Hager piece that I put the flowers in. And the date is 1986 on the bottom. I just love this little detail work there. And the fact that she is pink, of course. How about this pink purse? How stinking pretty is she? I was like, oh my gosh, because I'll see these like in cream and black, you know, at random places that I go to. But this one was pink, and I was like, oh shit. Has this like iridescent, sequency type vibe to it. So yeah, this pair of lamps, I got these on Facebook Marketplace. Just want to get a thumbnail. But yeah, I'm keeping these in my bathroom. Yeah, you'll see when I'm finished. Next is this plate. How pretty is this? And I'm keeping it in my bathroom just to put like bronzer powder and stuff on. It's just pretty for like accent, you know? This vintage perfume. It says it was made in Paris. I don't know where I saw that. Where did I don't know, but I got it at an estate sale and it's shaped like a mouth. So yeah, there's that. I got more tea stuff because not only to drink tea, but I am looking into renting out my house, like certain areas for people to do photography, like backdrops. So I like to also have these as props for photography. So yeah, I'm not a photographer, but for me to rent out rooms in my house, I just want to be able to provide like tea sets and other things like my vintage handheld mirrors that I make. So these mirrors, as you know, I bedazzle these. These are vintage mirrors, and I do sell these as well. But anyways, I also have this vintage phone that I bedazzled, just this part. So I thought it would be great for a backdrop in photography as well. But yeah, I painted it pink. It was like a dull ass, like dark yellowy stain looking color. Then I got this little pink box. How pretty is this? I got it in an estate sale. Ambros, 1992. So freaking pretty. Oh, and then I also do bedazzled phone cases. Like this is my phone case. So if you are looking to have one made, you can hit me up on my Etsy shop and I can do a custom one for you. And then I have this set. How freaking pretty. And then it comes with these little small pieces, small accents. I love vintage hands. She's pink. Can't really tell that much in the light, but yeah, it's pink. And it just sits like that. This cat, how freaking pretty is she? Meow. It's a freaking beauty that I got from the flea market. Very Art Deco revival. Just love this brass detail. I like the different interest of textures. Yeah, how pretty. These are vintage earrings also. So yeah, and then another thing for the photography when people want to rent out, I want to provide fans. And so there's like this fan, there's this fan, you can flip it backwards if you want it all pink. So yeah, I'm collecting like vintage fans that I think would be aesthetically pleasing with my house. So yeah, I'm looking at renting out. I don't know if I would. I think I would just do like rooms at a time or something like that, just so it's not like my whole house isn't taken over. And then do like hourly, or like you get a better deal like after 4 hours or like 8 hours, you'll get better deals. I don't know. So it's just something I'm toying around with. Another vintage handheld mirror that I bedazzled. So yeah, I think these would be great for props for photographers. So I have been working on my yard, and I picked up this bird bath or fountain from an estate sale. Yeah, this vintage box I got from the flea market. More bedazzled mirrors that I've done. I got that from the thrift store. Alright, so thank you for watching, you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.